5 seconds to go. Start. The appellant, at whose behest FIR number 438 of 2019, dated 10th July 2019, came to be registered at Police Station Kasganj, District Kasganj, Uttar Pradesh, for offences under sections 147, 148, 149, 302, 352 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860, has preferred this appeal by permission and by special leave, in challenge to the order dated 3rd December 2020, as passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in criminal miscellaneous bail application number 20894 of 2020. Para. By order impugned, the High Court has granted the concession of bail to one of the accused persons, respondent number 2 herein, essentially on the consideration that identically placed co-accused persons had already been granted bail. The appellant has, inter alia, pointed out that the order granting bail to one of the alleged identically placed co-accused has been disapproved by this court in the judgment and order dated 15th March 2021, as passed in criminal appeal number 317 of 2021, arising out of SLP criminal number 6744 of 2020. Para. Briefly put, the relevant background aspects of the matter are as follows: the appellant had lodged the first information report on 10th July 2019 at about 9:08 pm with the allegations that his son Danish was attacked with knife and sharp weapons by as many as 7 persons when he was coming from his house for milking the cattle. It was further alleged that the victim Danish sustained grievous injuries because of such assault and died on the spot. 2 persons, Nisar and Jalil, were said to be the eyewitnesses to the incident. As many as 8 anti-mortem injuries were detected on the person of the deceased, most of which had been either incised wounds or stab wounds on and around the neck and the chest. One of the accused persons, Imran, was arrested on 11th July 2019. As per the assertion of the investigating officer, the other accused persons, including the present respondent number 2, remained absconding, wherefore, non-bailable warrants and then, even proclamation under section 82 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973 were issued. The other accused persons surrendered or were apprehended on different dates. The respondent number 2 surrendered on 2nd September 2019. The application for bail moved on behalf of the respondent number 2 was declined by the Sessions Court, and then, the first bail application moved on his behalf in the High Court, being criminal miscellaneous bail application number 4842 of 2020, came to be dismissed on 10th February 2020 for non-prosecution. Thereafter, the respondent number 2 moved the second bail application bearing number 20894 of 2020 that has been considered and allowed by the High Court by the impugned order dated 3rd December 2020. Before that, the bail application of one of the co-accused, Fahim, bearing number 6083 of 2020 was allowed by the High Court on 25th February 2020.